Yo, trade recap for 9/11/2025. Bias coming in today was bullish until all-time highs were hit on NQ. Not really much on the 4-hour, but disrespecting bullish PDRAs, disrespecting bearish, just inversing all these gaps. My main draws on liquidity were these 1-hour highs, the data highs from yesterday, and then all-time highs up here. I remember this. But let me and also this. Oh yeah, there was this unfilled 1-hour as well. Yeah, unfilled 1-hour. Or actually, no, I lied. It got hit pre-market. But my main thought process was there was this big data wick leg from PPI or CPI, one of those. So we could either trade here or continue higher. But I was looking more towards, just looking for a retracement and continuation and for longs. So we had this 5-minute unfilled condition, and I was looking for us to trade back into it because it aligned with equilibrium within this range. Within these highs. At open we pumped up a little bit and then dumped, retrace here. So we rebalanced equilibrium to the tick, and then we have an SMT inside this with NQ and ES, and also done for 5-minute. So once we tap into the 5-minute, get a little push up, and then I wanted us to go lower to hit EQ. We do it and we create this 1-minute condition, and the fill, it was kind of unfortunate because we got this big leg up, and then I had an extended stop with 152 ticks, which was I didn't really like. But I was gonna target these like relative equal highs on NQ, and my break even was my break even was whenever ES took all-time highs. Cause let me pull up ES. But yeah, this was ES. So once ES took these highs, I went break even on my trade. I was in this trade, so I went break even, and then we ended up pumping up to this unfilled 5, and we rejected, and we ended up getting break even, which is very unfortunate. I was about probably 50 ticks away from TP. Yeah, literally 50 ticks away, and we literally get break even to the tick, literally to the tick. My entry got break even, and I could have honestly had a re-entry because there was an SMT, and then we rebalanced to the inverse gap of the 5-minute. This 5-minute gap got inverse, we rebalanced, and we also, with this new leg, we rebalanced the equilibrium within this new leg. So I honestly could have had another. I could have gone in again, but the only entry was this 30-second. This 30-second entry right here. I mean, this would have been a pretty good fill, and tight stops right here, literally bottom tick. But I was just like I didn't want to trade it because ES is at all-time highs, and we could possibly reverse because we had an SMT with these highs, and NQ all-time highs are all the way up here, so we could reverse. So that's why I didn't really want to take a trade after that. So because I knew I would have been mad at myself if I would have re-entered and not would have gotten stopped. So I just let the market. I just hopped off the charts as of that. But there was another possible play here with this new condition that was made. So after we took these equal highs, which was my original target, we still had data highs intact, and we had more low resistance liquidity with this buy side because we started to retrace, and we still had these intact, and we still had these intact and all-time highs. So we put in a 5-minute for rally gap with this leg. We trade back into it. This is a nice continuation, and we have a 2-minute inverse out of this. With this would have been the fill around the 101, targeting data highs. And we also have, I don't think we had an SMT, but we were in equilibrium within this range, this new leg too. Yeah, equilibrium. So that was really the only really plays, but I got break even, and I took this on my funded, and with copy trading my eval. So that was the only trade for the day. Got break even, and yeah.